Hi everybody, here we are now in week 2 and we are really getting into some content this week. So if you click right here on week 2, you can see right here it says this is what you need to know about the content to be successful this week. This is the first little sub-module in week 2. If you watch this video, it will go through and summarize what you need to know this week about the content to make sure that you are successful in our assignments and in the test that's coming up and the EOC and the IAs and all the things that are coming up. So this really helps you focus your learning. So make sure you take a look at this, and while you do, you can have the study guide open and you can be working on filling that out. And we'll also be going over this information more in depth in class this week, so please make sure to join us when you're invited. So Monday, what are we working on? I like breaking things down day by day. So a model of Christian charity, this is a sermon by John Winthrop. All right, so right here you can read a little bit about it, or you can look in your textbook, or you can look at this link, and here's a copy of it. This right here is an awesome video explanation of this piece of writing. It kind of goes through and explains it for you. All right, and then we have, you can learn a little bit about form and allusion and main idea. And you're going to notice for each day, it's going to have, okay, do. You really do need to do this. You need to read and you need to watch the video. It says you might find it easier to watch the video before you read. Then optional is to read through the 2 learns, and then the background is optional as well. But it definitely can help you in understanding where this writer is coming from in this time period. So these things are here for that. All right, Tuesday, we're going to move on to Of Plymouth Plantation. This is by William Bradford. So you do want to read through who is William Bradford, because that will inform what he's writing about. Then read Of Plymouth Plantation. It's right here. There's a link, or you can read it in your textbook. And then take a look at this video explanation, and I'll help you understand it a little bit more, because this was written a long time ago and they spoke a little differently than we do now. And then you can read through what are the main ideas. So if you are still, after this video explanation, just not quite sure, read through what are the main ideas to help you. And then he is writing in a journal form, so this right here will kind of help you understand why he was doing that. All right, and then moving on to Wednesday. Kind of catching our breath on Wednesday, working on USA Test Prep module for Instructional Cycle 1. Here's the login. Log in, click on the module, try to work on about, a third of it this week, to get it done. All right. And then Thursday and Friday, our first writing assignment. I know you guys are excited because it is not a hard one at all. So you want to make sure that you watch this video because it walks you through this assignment step by step. Complete the assignment, turn it in. No big deal. All right. So if you look down here, once again, here is the assignment page. The assignment pages, you can see them right here in the video, but you can click here to get them. Here's another video explanation. This one explains point of view, which is helpful because this kind of is talking about point of view, some more definitions and examples. And then here is the Dropbox. So you would click here and to turn in your assignment. All right. And as you can see, I included the video in the actual assignment, and that's why it's here again. So don't let that freak you out. That is week 2, guys. A lot of new stuff coming at you. So if you have questions, need help, you can come to class. You can come to the small groups you're invited to. You can come to Raise Your Grades. You can email me, and we can set up a learner conference. All right, guys, have a great week.